Stevie Garcia. Plate voltage holding steady at 459 with 18 millivolts of current going through your plates. That puts you right at 60% plate dissipation, the max plate dissipation for these JJ6V6s. Amp is sounding lovely until... Whoa, buddy. What is that? And I was fishing around beforehand. Check this out. I don't know if you brought this somewhere, but have a look at this lower capacitor here. Watch this. In fact, watch this. Completely disconnected. That was cut. I just don't see how that would have fatigued, but it sure as hell separated, didn't it? And right, kind of funny that right along the line of where the designer scribed the drill template into the top of this circuit board. Interesting, dude. So I'll get that swapped out and I'll report back, because I don't remember this thing. This thing was quiet when it was in my custody last time. Interesting, dude. Super interesting. So, update soon, buddy.